Today, let's make soft, fluffy, and perfect Goan buns made at home. This no-fail recipe is super easy and beginner-friendly, perfect for breakfast, tea time, or a Sunday special treat. Watch the video till end as all the tips and tricks shared at the end of video to make perfect bun. Ingredients you need. So now let's start. Take a bowl, add 1 banana. Nicely mash the banana with a fork or masher. Add 2 tablespoons curd and whisk until smooth and well combined. Add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and mix well. Now add 1½ cup all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix everything together to form a soft dough. The dough will be slightly sticky. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ghee and gently knead dough. Apply some oil on the top of the dough. Cover and leave it to ferment for 8 to 10 hours or overnight. Once fermented, lightly knead the dough as shown. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized balls. Give it a ball shape. Dust with flour and roll each ball into a slightly thick disc. Do not roll too thin. Gently spread it with your hands. Thickness should be little thick, not so thick also, or else it won't cook inside while frying. Heat oil in a deep pan on medium-high flame. Carefully deep fry the buns until golden brown and fluffy on both sides. While frying, keep pouring hot oil over the top to help the buns puff up evenly. Flip it on other side. Fry until golden brown on both sides. And there you have it, sweet Goan bun, ready to eat. So soft and fluffy, serve hot and enjoy. Tips for perfect Goan buns. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.